What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you be changing out your cabin air filter on a Kia Forte. It's probably the same from about the 2018 to about the 2024. It's going to be located inside of your glove box. So what you want to do is open up your glove box just like that pretty much. And once you do that, you want to come over to your side. You'll see this little arm right here, your damper arm. You just want to pull that off just like that. Then what you want to do is come inside of here. You see these little screw things? Turn it like that. It'll come out. You have one on each side. Turn that one. Hold on. Let me kind of take some of the... Yeah. See how I'm doing? You just want to turn it like that. Once you do that, your glove box will drop down. If you look back there behind it, you'll see your cabin air filter. And all you have to do is just come to these two sides, squeeze. Show you what I did. These right here, you just squeeze those in right here and pull it straight out like that. Squeeze those in and pull it out, and right back there will be your cabin air filter. You gotta do now is just take something and kind of pull it out. You want to look at it so you make sure you know which way to put your new one in. If you can see on this one, airflow points down. So when you get your new one, make sure you make this arrow point down like this. And you want to change these things out because over time they can definitely get really dirty and stuff like that from sucking in some dirt and debris from outside. Also, when you turn on your heat in your air, if you notice that when you first turn it on, a lot of stuff blows out your vents and tell you most likely that you need a new cabin air filter. Alright folks, once again, this is how you be changing out your cabin air filter on a Kia Forte from probably about the 2018 to the 2024. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.